買咗啲橙返嚟。今日 today 阿媽 my mom 買咗 bought tea 橙 orange 返嚟 home。今日阿媽買咗啲橙返嚟。今日阿媽買咗啲橙返嚟。Today my mom bought some orange home. Number 9. 灰色 grey。個天灰蒙蒙咁，好似想落雨啊。個天灰蒙蒙咁，好似想落雨啊。個天 the sky 灰蒙蒙 grey 咁 like 好似想落雨啊。好似 as if it seems 想 want 落雨 rain 個天灰蒙蒙咁，好似想落雨啊。The sky is grey